Hello, my name Adisa Prasila. My metric number 242353, and I want to presentation about how to conduct a simulation in fast food, dine-in, and drive-thru at McDonald's. And this is I prepare it with Nurul Aida binti Muhammad Zulfika. Okay. Our background of the study is fast food and refers to food can be prepared and served quickly. This food uh, is easy obtained from many places such as sit down restaurant and take out, and also drive through and delivery. And as we know, fast food always open for 24 hours, so you can find it and any time you want to eat. Our problem statement is, in this study we want to know which suggestion that can increase restaurant profit using arena simulation, and also understanding which part of buying fast food that spending much time. And the problem in buying fast food at McDonald's, almost every month customer should waiting at long time to get their food because they don't have complete service and process for serving food that a long time. Our research question is, what is the best suggestion to decrease customer queue? Second, which part of buying fast food that give impact to decrease of customer queue? And third, what is the best suggestion to increase restaurant profit? Our research objective, we have three. First, to identify the best suggestion to decrease customers queue, to identify which part that have long time that can impact to decrease of customers queue, and third, to identify the best solution to increase restaurant profit. Our research scope is from McDonald's restaurant customers, and we will conduct analysis based on our preview. So we will make observation at McDonald's restaurant and take customer data. How long customer choose the menu, how long they order, and how long they stay at restaurant. This is our flow chart of fast food, dine-in, and drive-thru. This is our flow diagram of the research. So we start from find the field study and literature review. After that, problem identification, data collection, and then data calculation and concept our model, and then we verified the validation scenario simulation. And then after that, we scenario analysis result and discuss conclusion. After that, finish. This is our simulation model of fast food, dine-in, and drive-thru. For dine-in, we have 4 counter, and for drive-thru, we just have 1 counter. After that, this is our basic model and elements. We have 1 create to decide, which is this decide for dine-in or drive-thru. After that, decide for which counter for dine-in. After that, we have 15 process. For data collection, we using observation. We collect the data from McDonald's. We go to McDonald's for 1 day, which is Saturday, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and we collect the data from customer from their arrive, their choose menu, the payment, and so on. Then after that, we distribution fitting for the data. This is our distribution fitting. This is our summary of distribution fitting, which is we have for all of counter, all of payment, and so on. For run, length, and number of replication, we run this 3 hours because the time of the observation is from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and then we make it 5 replications. This is our verification and validation of the model. We get minus 47.423, which is it should be not valid, because for valid our conclusion for this should be minus 10 until 10, but it's more than minus 10. Our analysis of the basic model based on the output performance measure of fast food dine-in and drive-thru. We have for counter and for dine-in, for counter for payment dine-in, and for counter to collect dine-in. And for drive-thru, we just have one counter. For payment and for collect food, also one counter. The system was replicated for 5 times, which is 180 minutes. There were approximately 97 customers enter the system, and average total time spent in the system is 59.1004 minutes. The process includes waiting in queue in choosing dine-in or drive-thru. This is our scenario 1, which is we want to increase the number of counter dine-in and payment dine-in and also collect food dine-in. So we make one counter again for dine-in. And this is for scenario 2. We put one counter for drive-thru. Our conclusion and recommendation: fast food dine-in and drive-thru at McDonald's needs to improve their service, which is add more counter to attract more customers, fulfill customer satisfaction and demand. The most efficient queuing system is by added fast food counter for dine-in and drive-thru, which is to reduce the number of waiting time of customer. Okay, that's all. Thank you.